Hello everybody, I am Anurag Kumar, English Acharya, Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Barwat Sena, Betia. In this video, we shall study English of class 12, and in this section we shall learn poetry. Poetry, as you all know, poetry is the song of life. Many authors have told that poetry is the sudden human emotion which comes out. And let us talk about this poetry, and the name of the poem is My Mother at 66. As you can see, this poem is written by Kamala Das. First of all, let's learn about the poetess Kamala Das. Kamala Das, I have written here, you can see about Kamala Das. So let me tell you, Kamala Das comes from Kerala. She is considered one of the India's first poet. Her work is basically about her personality, about the beautiful, bold, sensitive, and contemporary issues. Her favorite poem is Composition, and in this poem, My Mother at 66, Kamala Das talks about her mother. This chapter is about mother and daughter relationship. Here, students, I have given tough words for you. You can notice here I have written some difficult words for you. Then I have come to the summary. I have given detailed summary of this poem. You can go through the summary line by line, and after going through the summary, going through the poem of the book which you have, read the poem, learn the summary, then you can attempt the questions given by me. Let me explain the summary of this poem to you all. The poem is My Mother at 66. So here, students, we start the summary of My Mother at 66. In this poem, Kamala Das talks about her own mother. Her mother. In this poem, she tells that earlier Kamala Das went to her native place, to her mother. She stayed there with her mother some time, and she had to go to her working place. When Kamala Das was about to go to her working place, she had to go to the airport, and her mother accompanied Kamala Das in a car to the airport. When Kamala Das and her mother were going to the airport in a car, Kamala Das saw her mother's face. Her mother's face was very dull. Her mother's face was looking just like a dead body. Her mother was sleeping in the car, and she was opening her mouth. When Kamala Das saw her mother's face in the car, she became scared. She became terrified that her mother was not going to live anymore. She thought that this might be her last meeting with her mother. So this bad thought had terrified her. She was totally terrified. And this, as I told you, this chapter is about mother and daughter relationship. So as a daughter, Kamala Das did not want to lose her mother, and that thought came to her mind. So Kamala Das became upset. What could she do that time? Her mother was sleeping, opening her mouth, and her face was looking just like a dead body. So this thought Kamala Das wanted to throw away. She looked out of the car window, and she looked green trees going back side. She saw happy children coming out of their homes. These two scenes gave her some relief and put that bad thought away. Kamala Das felt quite relaxed that time after seeing these two things, because green trees, green trees have life, children full of joy. So these two scenes gave Kamala Das some relief. When the car stopped at the airport, her mother came with her after the security checkup. When Kamala Das had to go in the aeroplane, again she saw her mother. Again she saw her mother's face. That face was pale. That face was just like a dead body. Again that bad thought came to her mind. She became again upset, and she wanted to through that thought that time also. She thought that time maybe this might be my last meeting, physical meeting with my mother. Then she laughed, smiled to put that thought away. She smiled and smiled and told, "See you soon, Amma." She told, see you soon, Amma, but she was in doubt whether in future she would meet her mother or not. And then, smiling, she went away. She smiled because she wanted to remove that thought, her mother's dead, which thought came to her mind away. So she smiled and told, "See you soon, Amma." And then she went. So this is a poem by Kamala Das, which we have learned. And look, children, I have given summary of this poem. Whatever I told you, I have giving you detailed summary. I am sending PDF picture of this note which I have made for you. And in the beginning, I told you that I am giving you some questions to attempt. Write down the answer of these questions, and students, frame questions of your own. Going through the summary, make questions of your own and write answers and show me. I will evaluate the answers, your answers. Any problem, I shall check and tell you how can you improve. So make questions, write answers, send me your answers. I shall evaluate and show you the path how can you write better. So student, this was a poetry, My Mother at 66. Go through the poem. Any problem, consult me, and in the next video we shall study this same chapter but extracts of this chapter. Okay, write the question answers and study well. Thank you.